Here they are. There's my baby, Oreo. And here's Ooey. He likes to run so fast, he just can't, his legs don't keep up with him. Just like little Caleb. Oh, there he goes. Oh, just can't keep up. Hi, Annie. Hi. Mine is slow and curious. You don't want to chew on those cords.
No, there you go.
Good kitty.
Whoops. They're still getting used to their legs. Ooh. Oh, go get it.
What? Wanna get it?
This stuff's running around so fast his legs don't keep up with him. What you doing over there? Oh, you gonna get that? You get that chair leg. You tell his boss. Alright.
What are you doing?
Alright. You're gonna go here.
Oh, you just ran into the chair again.